To be perfectly honest, I was a bit disappointed by the Mavic 2 Pro when I got it originally. I thought the video quality was not living up to the hype and it was a bit soft. I'm a super fan of the long flight time. I really enjoy having at least 25 minutes in the air for each battery. That would give me enough time to frame my shots and and not feeling stressed about running out of battery. The connection for the drone, that is super stable. With the OcuSync 2.0, that is a blessing compared to what we're used to from the Mavic Air. That was a pure Wi-Fi drone. Also, I like the variable aperture. I can just slap on an ND16 to capture that buttery smooth footage. And if I need to adjust the exposure of the footage, I will just adjust the aperture up and down accordingly. In most cases, I can get by just having a single filter mounted on the drone. Finally, I would say that the drone handles very well. Even in high windy conditions, you are able to control the drone without any issues. Also, the noise is pretty pleasant coming from the Mavic Air. That was a bit, bit of a noisy beast. I never had any complaints with the Mavic 2 Pro. I couldn't say the same with the Mavic Air. These are basically the highlights from me using the drone regularly over the last year.